I don't know what to say, so Jeff is gonna talk for me.
Good morning, guys. So, guys, we got Charly Jordan here, but like.
He
Jeff doesn't do this often.
Both stutter and mix up words a lot, so let's start. Wait.
What's up, guys? Charly Jordan.
Oh,
we on the same page.
So today I'm shooting with Chris Appleton. I've wanted to shoot with Chris Appleton forever. He does all of the Kardashians' hair, and I'm really, really excited. I've never met him, but we're doing the classic.
Yeah.
Classic Ariana Grande ponytail look, which is an iconic style. You've seen her walking through the streets with like the oversized hoodie. She looks like an anime character. She got the long weave. I've heard it's heavy. Might get a little neck workout in, you know.
Games.
He's gonna be here in 20 minutes. I'm excited. It's gonna be a day. We're at the compound. I'm shooting in Taylor's bathroom because just look at it. This ain't even a bathroom on the low. This is like my house.
Set. Oh, okay. Two different subjects again.
Why can't we ever just agree?
That's what I was trying to do, but I thought we were agreeing on the same thing until I realized what you just said. Yo, welcome to our bathroom.
I don't really know what else to say.
It's the Halloween bathroom.
I'm just keep recording.
Brandon.
Hey, Brandon.
You better stop that right now.
How you doing? We've been fighting and stuff, but you alright? I can see the freaking mirror reflection.
What?
What do you mean what? I can still see you.
No shit though, Taylor scares me pretty much every single time I walk out of this bathroom. And I knew it was bad because, you know, normal people just walk out of the bathroom. But the other day, no shit.
Almost locked it.
I was walking out of here, I opened the door, I like stopped right here, leaned out and like looked both directions. The man was not even in here at all. I was like, I'm developing PTSD. All right guys, this is Chris, who I was just talking about. He's gonna do my hair today. I've been following you for a while actually.
Yeah, are you ready for this?
He's an incredible hairstylist.
Do you know what we're gonna do?
The classic Ariana look.
Classic.
Iconic.
We're gonna snatch her up.
My hair's a little
You're gonna
short.
expose those cheekbones. The question is, are you gonna do the dark or the light? You wanna be brunette or you wanna be blonde?
I want to be brunette. I always am like, guys, should I go brunette? But I'm always nervous about it because everyone likes the blonde look. But I feel like we're switching things up here. Everything's
Okay. You ready?
She's beautiful.
Is it long enough?
Let's go down my booty.
Have you ever had a ponytail like this?
No, I haven't. I'm excited.
I feel like once you've had a ponytail like this, you're never ever gonna like
I'm
have
gonna be
a
calling you up the
normal
other
one
day, like,
again.
how do I do this myself? Because it's impossible. It's so hard to do it yourself. It's
I
like
know.
a full-blown arm workout.
But listen, the best snatch is like life-changing. Ready to do it?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, also, if you want to check out the full video, make sure you guys go on his page for the tutorial. Alright guys, we are, what, halfway? No, more than halfway.
We're more than halfway. Like
We are
3/4.
85% done. I'm brunette and I feel really sassy. Catch me with lots of hair flips after this. Oh wait,
Wait,
are
you
you
can't
about to, he's about to do
Do you
the,
have the
I've never done my edges. I'm really excited.
edges? All right, you have a toothbrush? That's right.
Okay, so we got your key Ariana elements. Sleeve over the hand, coffee in hand, long ponytail. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So right now, I got everyone from the compound together and we're gonna surprise them, see what they think about the look. I love it, I feel so sassy, but I'm wondering, because I'm always like, Taylor, should I keep my hair blonde or brown? And he's always like, blonde, da da da. So we'll see what he thinks about the dark side.
Yeah. Oh shit. Right. Oh my god.
I think I'm low-key fangirl. I think I'm straight. I mean, what's good?
I love it.
So good.
This is the true question. This is what I was asking. Because I'm always like, Taylor, should I dye my hair brown? He's like, nah, I like it blonde. Which one do you like better?
I think you look amazing both ways.
That's the best answer.
Literally. No, actually. Literally, actually.
That's a good boyfriend.
She's so hot.
I just let Ariana talk. She's all like, hi guys.
It's also like the little like.
So guys, I'm Ariana for the day. So if you want me to be her in any TikToks, any videos, you know, I'm around. I'm available.
Charly, thank you.
Thank you.
Being a model, you
You
look
are
great.
amazing.
All right, who's next? Okay, it's a
Taylor? So now we're gonna shoot the final Ariana look. Everyone's been going back and forth between whether they like the blonde or the brunette. I like brunette, but I think brown curls are not as cute as blonde curls. So for the curls, the blonde is good, but for this hair, I'm gonna shower for a week. I'm gonna be wearing this as long as I can. Jeff is gonna be taking the final Ariana pictures. Did you look up the references?
Yeah, she's Ariana Grande and I'm Macklemore.
What did you say?
He said Macklemore. Oh wait,
Macklemore.
Mac Miller again. I had it all planned out too when I was over there, and I still messed it up.
He got nervous. He was like just about to walk up to me acting like nothing was different. He was like, yo, first you don't notice the hand tabs, and then he doesn't notice the hair's brown.
What do you think?
I like it.
It's crazy. Ariana Grande up in this bitch. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is the final look. As you can see, I'm having so much fun with this hair. It was so amazing to finally meet Chris and do such an iconic Ariana pony. Comment down below what other looks you want to see us do, and if you like my blonde or brunette hair better. That's the end of this video. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.